How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a quick tutorial on how to add add-on peds to your FiveM server. So I'm going to be using WinSCP as well as Rocket Node for my server and this development tutorial. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and add the Ronaldo ped into the server. So I'm going to quickly delete this one so I can start from scratch. So first of all, go to the link in the description. You will need these two files. So once you've opened up this mega file, basically all you need to do is just click on each one, download, and make it a standard download, because to put it in a zip, it will take it would just be weird, and let's just make it a standard download for now. So, my bad, I just hit my knee on my desk. So basically, you need to have these two files to be able to, for it to actually work and for it to be able to spawn. Okay, so once you have that, you can go ahead and close this down. Okay, and then you're going to search up the ped that you're going to be using. So I'm going to be using Ronaldo. So I'm going to search up FiveM Ronaldo ped. And once you found it, which I will also put in the link in the description, so this is the one that I'm going to be using in this video. So you go ahead and press download. I'm going to be using GTA 5 mods for this video because it's just very easy. There's also Superman, which is also pretty cool, which I haven't added yet, but no, it's fine. So if you have that pop up, just do the one I just did anyway. So now you have these 4 folders or files or whatever you want to call them. There should be one YTD folder, one YMT folder, one YFT folder, and one YDD folder. Okay, this is basically what you'll need for it to actually spawn. So basically, once you've done that, go to your desktop and go ahead and just make a file called Ronaldo. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here because I am gonna put all these add-on peds and all that for the server over here, and then I put other stuff over here and all my games and all that. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do, put this on one side, put the Ronaldo ped or whatever you're using on this side. So basically this is your folder. So you're going to right click, new folder, going to name it stream. Okay, please don't put a capital, because if you put a capital, screw it up and it just won't spawn. Okay, so now you're going to open this, and this is where your 4 CR7 or Ronaldo files come into place. So you're just going to highlight all of them, drag it in, and drop it into the stream folder. Once again, all these, drag it and drop it into the stream folder. Okay, then you can back out of the stream folder, and then you have the stream folder here, which is full of these 4 files. Now this, you can close out of that now. Now this is the time that you need your 2 ped and underscore resource files. So you can open up this like I just did if you want, and you have these 2 here, and I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to put it onto my desktop. Okay, so now it's on my desktop. I'm going to drag both of these files and I'm going to place them into my Ronaldo file next to the stream folder. Please do not put it inside the stream folder, because that will just screw up pretty much everything. Okay, and then you have this. Now, your underscore resource file is pretty much something that you just don't need, okay? This is something that you shouldn't worry about. If you type something in here or change anything, it will most likely mess it up. So just close out of that. The peds folder is the only thing you will need at the moment. So, under the name, you definitely need to change this unless you're doing the Spider-Man ped. But for this, make sure that it is the same as what the files in here are called. So as you can see, these are CR7, so that's what you're going to be the name of the peds in the peds file, or sorry, should I say notepad. The Ronaldo ped, the name of the actual file that you're using, it doesn't have to be CR7. That's to your, you can choose that, whatever you want to do for that name as your file. Okay, that's at your own liking. Okay, so once you're in your Ronaldo file and you've put those 2 in, you want to make sure you open up the notepad, and then you're going to change the name to whatever the YTF and all those folders are, as you can see in the stream file. Okay, so as you see, I just showed you it's CR7. Make sure you do get the capitalization right. Okay, and then you're going to press Control S, or you can go to File and press Save wherever it is. Oh, sorry, File, Save. Okay, so now you don't want to mess with any of this, or if you want, you can start to Spider-Man, and you know nothing should come up. But yeah, now you have this in. That's pretty much the spawn code. But the spawn, you can't change the spawn code in here, because this spawn code is pretty much like basically this and this makes the spawn code. If this is different to that, it will just screw it up. So this has to be the exact same. Which basically, so whenever you go to the F1 menu, whenever you type in V menu, or sorry, not V menu, if you go to the add-on pads and you spawn it by name, which I'm going to show you in a second, you did put in this or this, which is pretty much the same thing. Okay, once you have that, you're pretty much all good. But now, to actually add it to your server, it's pretty simple and easy. All you do got to do is drag and drop. Okay, resources. So I'm going to be using WinSDP. Okay, go to resources. Just drag and drop the Ronaldo file straight into it. Okay, I already have it in there, so I'm not going to put it in, but you're going to put it in and then you wait for it to go in, and then once it's in, okay? Once you do that, you can close out of that, and then you want to back out of here, server config, and once you're in the server config, if you want to set it out like this, like I have, like make it so that PD cards are in here, this is the default stuff, and then AOP's under here, and all like, you know, I forget the word for it, but, you know, this is gone. I deleted that earlier. Okay, and this too. Okay, so basically now you have all these, and I'm gonna scroll down to should be pets. Yep. So as you can see, it's already insured. But I'm gonna pretend that wasn't there. So once you have, if you want to set it out like this, you can, or you can just put it anywhere. But anyway, let's get straight to the point. Basically, just do ensure space and then the name of your file that you did name this. As you can see, mine is called Ronaldo. You can change yours to CR7 or whatever you want, but make sure that in the server config you ensured the same name as what this is, including the capitalization and all that. Okay, so if this says Ronaldo, no capitalizations, then in the server config there should be no capitalization. Okay, now once you've done that, you can close out a WinSCP or whatever you're using, and then when you're in your Rocket node or whatever you're using, Zap hosting or something like that, restart the server. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and restart the server, and then I'm going to show you when we are in the server. Alrighty guys, we are in the game. Okay, so basically, why is my video menu not working? Never mind, I guess they changed it to F1 now. That's actually an amazing thing. Okay, so now once you've opened up F1, I'm so thankful that they have the this working. But yeah, so basically once you've done that, you can go to player related options, player appearance, spawn pets, spawn by name, and then you can go ahead and search up CR7 and it should spawn in. Okay, if you want you can save it, but yeah, you don't have to. Anyway, basically it's going to be working. So as you can see, the number 7 on the back. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video, this quick tutorial. It wasn't too quick since I was talking quite a bit, which an example is what I'm doing right now. But yeah, you should definitely join the server. It is a amazing server in my opinion, because you know I own it, so of course it is. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're always making new videos on the server. And yeah, I hope you do enjoy. Have a great one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace